Now we're going to remove the handle for painting and processing. The main fastener is on the inside of the card. There are 2 brackets, one with 4 screws and one with 3 screws. A standard Phillips head screwdriver is needed. Let's start with the top one. This is the fastener, right? Next, we'll move on to the bottom part. Just in case you're removing both doors, and it'll take a long time to paint, each bracket is marked L, which means it's the left door. Next, there are tabs along the top of the handle that need to be removed. Move them slightly, and the handle should pop out. We're trying to push them inward in a circle, pulling out the tabs. So, it's easiest to start here, where the plug is. We'll place our finger here and press on this top part. On this side, we have the first tab. So, we press outward with our finger, and the tongue pops out of the groove. We're left with a space here, where we can insert a plastic spudger or something plastic too. Avoid damaging it. We hold it with our fingers and try to carefully push it further around. The easiest way to release the fastening points is here, where there's a gap between the 2 retaining tabs. We can insert a spudger and press down a little. Basically, 2, 3 at most. Loosen it a little, and gently push in that direction. And the handle is released. We do the same with the lower part. We look at which side is easier. We have already clicked upwards. Here we have a pass. We will try to pull it out from this side, so that it is less noticeable. In principle, even the clips themselves go neatly in a circle, slowly. They are already released. The clicks are a slightly different type, these tongues, here in a circle. That is, in principle, the top is released. We just have to release this part. Like this. Maybe we should have unscrewed a screw here. Now we unscrew the screw that most likely holds this handle on the far side. Yes, it is. That's how we completely removed the handle. For further painting from the outside, it remains. Basically, to split the handle itself in half. We will do this now. During painting, so that no screws, strips, anything gets lost anywhere. I advise putting it all back in place before assembling. For a better quality painting for convenience. Basically, it is advisable to remove this cover so that It is easier to work with the part itself. Which means we will need to unscrew all the visible screws. We have about 5 of them here. 5 pieces, this is our handle mount. I specially put them in place so that they do not get lost anywhere. We have latches around here in a circle that need to be carefully removed from their grooves. Let's get started. We removed the screws. Let's look at which side. There is more pliable plastic here. In principle, even practically with your hands. But it's better to be careful, since they are very fragile. Take a spatula and slightly press on the plastic. Pull it towards you. Here is one groove, 1. Here are these fasteners 1, 2, 3 and the same on this side. Yeah. That's it, our part is ready for further painting. It looks like this from the inside. It's better to put the screws back in place so that they don't get lost.